Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can disable automatic updates on Windows 11 permanently. So Windows 11 automatic updates can slow down your work and consume unnecessary data. So we need to disable automatic updates permanently using two methods. And the first one is to disable Windows Update via services. So to do that, we need to open the Run window. And we can do that simply by pressing the Windows R key altogether. And then here, all we need to do is just to type services.msc. Now, once you have already typed it, just please click on OK or Enter. And then this will open the services window. So here, we need to locate Windows Update. And so to do that, we need to make a click on any service here, and then we need to type in our keyboard W so that we will be brought to the W section, and it's easy for us now to look for Windows Update option. So please scroll down, and then we will be looking for Windows Update option. So here, all we need to do is just to make a right click and then select the properties option, and then select the startup type to disabled. Now, if it's set with another option or other options there, so please make a click on the drop down button and select the disabled option. Now once you have done that, please click on the stop button to stop the service, and after doing that, just please click on OK and close the window. The next thing you need to do is to make a quick restart with your device to apply the changes. And the second method is to disable automatic updates via registry editor. So we need to open again the Run window. So please press again in your keyboard the Windows R key altogether. And here we need to open the this Run window again. So we need to, once already this is open, we need to type regedit, and then we need to press Enter. Click on OK or Enter. Here we have the user account control window coming up. Just please click on Yes to proceed. And then you will be getting this kind of window. So let me just minimize everything. Okay, so we need to navigate to the registry path. So first is to go to the HK local machine option and then proceed with software. And then we need to go to policies. So please scroll down and click on this policies option. And then next is to click on the Microsoft option and then proceed with Windows. So here we need to create a new key. All we need to do that is just to make a right click on the Windows option and select this new, and then proceed with key option. And then there with the name, we need to name the new key with Windows Updates. And once you have already done that, you will be getting this kind of option. Let me just quickly delete this one. So once you have already have the Windows Updates folder, all you need to do is just to make a right click on that again, select this new button here, and select the key option, and then you will be getting this new key again. So please name it with this one, AU, or capital letters AU. And then once you have already done that, we will now be going to this folder. Now, once you have already selected or made this one, all you need to do is just to go to the right section, and here we need to make a right click and then select this new option here, and then select the word 32-bit value. And then once you were seeing the new value option, we need to type here no auto update. No auto update. Just remember to type it the way I am typing it, and then after typing it, just please click on Enter. And we need to set the value data to 1. So to do that, simply make a right click and then click on this modify button, and then type the value data 1 and then click on OK. After doing this, just make a quick restart with your device to save the changes, and then by following these two methods, the Windows 11 automatic updates will be permanently disabled. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.